Modi Enterprises is an Indian business conglomerate based in New Delhi, India. The US $2.8 billion group, consisting of Godfrey Phillips India, Indofil Industries Ltd, Modicare Limited, has a diversified business portfolio including cigarettes manufacturing, education, agricultural chemicals, personal care, tea and beverages, entertainment, consumer products, multi-level marketing, and gourmet restaurants. Gujarmal Modi founded the Modi Group, beginning with a small, family-run business, then expanding from 1933 onwards with companies such as Modi Sugar, Modi Vanaspati MFR Company, Modi Industries Ltd, Modi Luft and Modi Rubber, Modi Paints, Modi Oils, Modi Electrodes, Modi Lanterns and Torch Works, Tube Wells Drilling, Modi Distillery, Modi Steels, Industrial Gases, Modi Spinning and WVG Mills Company Limited, Modi Yarn Mills, Modi Threads, Modi Soap, and Modi Carpets etc. By the time Modi's brother Kedarnath Modi joined the company, the Modi Group was India's seventh largest conglomerate. The company had become the center of the eponymously renamed city of Modicare. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.